Nessebar has been related to several ancient civilizations during its 3000-year history. The exquisite ancient district has been designated as a living museum town with the ruins of 40 churches from various periods of history. Here you can discover excellent photographic and painting opportunities. Nessebar vacations are great for those who want to relax and enjoy a classic Bulgarian atmosphere, thanks to the small cobblestone alleys and gabled houses. Music and entertainment may be found in both the old and new town, sometimes until late at night. Nessebar, which is protected by UNESCO, is ideal for families looking to get away from it all and actually relax. Situated on a vast rocky peninsula stretching out into the Black Sea, the UNESCO-recognized resort town of Nessebar awaits your visit to explore its small winding alleyways of history and relax on its stunning clean stretches of beach. Its roots may be traced back 3000 years, and it has changed hands several times since then, becoming a part of numerous empires. The city has mostly escaped these battles undamaged, with many major historical relics still intact. Take this time to marvel at the various arches and arcades, turrets and vaults that make this region so intriguing to explore. Bulgarian architecture is frequently ignored on the international stage, something that Balkan people feel it needs to change. It's entirely unlike anything else on the planet. Even if you don't have a specific objective in mind, walking around Nessebar will give you a taste of Bulgarian architecture. You'll also get the opportunity to soak in the ambience, which is mostly due to the permanent street markets that set up shop to sell tourist goods. Nessebar's varied nature includes this major historical site. Beach babies should be just as intrigued as history fans, as the town's breathtaking coastline offers plenty of opportunities to remove your blazer and jeans in favor of beach shorts or a bikini. The beach is mostly soft golden sand, and if you wake up early enough, you can secure one of the many sunbeds. It's totally up to you whether you stay to the crowded resort beaches or venture farther away for a more tranquil seaside experience. But Nessebar provides both privacy and the exciting vibe for those who know what they want.